Let's review auricular medicine. Which ancient Chinese texts first described the ear as the external manifestation of the kidney?
Beijing. Yellow Emperor's Classic Internal Medicine.
What percentage of concordance did the Nanking Army report between medical diagnosis and auricular diagnosis using Nogueir's map?
75.2%.
75.2%.
In Nogueir's inverted fetus map, which part of the ear corresponds to the feet?
Upper rim.
Upper rim.
A French acupuncturist formalized auricular medicine in 1957. What was his primary methodological contribution?
Correlating auricular
polar
points
points with a
to
somatopic
Somatopic homunculus.
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 Which dynasty's text asserts that prognosis can be judged from inspection of the auricle?
Song.
Song.
The ear is a microsystem. Which of the following is not another microsystem?
Spine.
Spine.
The ear joins with the body to form a unified inseparable whole because of the circulation of which two vital substances?
Chi and blood.
Key and blood.
Which of the following statements best captures the diagnostic advantage of auricular medicine over hand or foot microsystems?
It can detect
Genetic
predispositions.
predispositions.
Which of the following is not a function of the ear beyond hearing?
Hormonal regulator.
Hormonal regulation.
Which of the following best explains why the ear is considered the first of all our organs to develop embryologically?
The
The
topic
optic
plateau
bulb
code
appears
appears
than
earlier
other
than
organ.
other organ
Primordia.
primordia.
The mystical gate is associated with which concept?
The
The convergence
of the
human
main vessels in
vessels
the ear.
in the air.
Which of the following is a documented advantage of using auricular acupuncture in combination with other modalities?
Reinforces to the outcome of treatment.
Reinforcement of outcome of treatment.
The ear's points can be organized. The chart encompasses most body parts and organ systems. Which ancient concept does this reflect?
The Zhang Four Guns theory.
Zhao Fu organ theory.
Which of the following statements about the Nanking Army ear acupuncture team's research is accurate?
They discovered
Covered
additional points
not
not
in
known.
nor gear charts.
Auricular medicine can monitor prognosis. Which of the following is the most plausible mechanism for this monitoring?
Reassessment of auricular
tendencies.
Which of the following best describes the inverted fetus representation in Nogueir's map?
Head at
Head
the
on the lower lobe, feet on the upper rim.
The ear can reveal a person's genetic predispositions. Which modern scientific field could theoretically support this claim?
Epigenetics.
Which of the following ear points would most likely be situated near the Simba conche based on common Chinese ear charts?
Lung point.
The ear is the vehicle for the perception of sound and thereby our connection with fellow humans and the larger environment. Which philosophical doctrine aligns with this view?
Taoist interdependence.
Why did early Chinese work on auricular points remain empirical prior to Nogueir?
Absence of
Standardized
standardized point
point
chart.
chart.
Which of the following best explains the term microsystem?
Miniature representation of the whole body.
Which of the following is an implied limitation of ear acupuncture?
Nogueir.
Potential of ear cartilage damage.
Which historical figure is credited with integrating ear acupuncture into mainstream Oriental medicine?
Paul Nogueir.
The ear's diagnostic capability is superior to that of the hand, foot, scalp, and nose. Which of the following is a plausible physiological explanation?
Direct innervation by the vagus nerve.
The term auriculotherapy as used by Nogueir most closely translates to which of the following?
Air stimulation therapy.
Which of the following modern research methods will best validate the claim that ear points reflect genetic predispositions?
Genome-wide association studies
correlating
ear morphology.
The convergence of the main vessels in the ear, which classical Chinese channel is traditionally associated with this convergence?
Governing vessel. Domai.
Yeah. Which of the following best describes the inverted fetus metaphor's significance for clinical mapping?
It provides a visual mnemonic for police evasion.
The ear can be used as an independent therapy. Which of the following clinical scenarios most exemplifies this independence?
Acute migraine relief using only ear needles.
The ear's diagnostic role includes detection of musculoskeletal, organ-related, or emotional illnesses. Which ear point would theoretically correspond to emotional balance in classical Chinese theory?
Shinmen
Shinmen. Heart.
heart.
Okay, thank you very much, and congratulations.